Get him. What's going on, folks? Getting ready for another hunt. And put this hat down. Put on a hunter's orange. Haven't worn this hat in a long time, but we are actually going on a hunt, and it's not a duck hunt. As you can see, got the hunter's orange, not your traditional hunting garb for duck hunting. It's gonna be a pheasant hunt, not your traditional gear. So for duck hunting, changing it up, going after some put and take pheasant. Unfortunately, we don't really have wild pheasant in Indiana. Rooster's definitely a bucket list bird for me. Never shot one. Hopefully tomorrow we get on some. And yeah, it's gonna be taking Chief is gonna be our main bird dog, the only bird dog. A little nervous because he's never done it, but hopefully, you know, his training for duck hunting kind of applies a little bit to pheasant hunting, and he can do it. We'll see. Honestly, I'm a little nervous, so we'll just do the best we can, won't we, Chief? He's laying down across the room over there. So anyways, hit that sub button, guys. More content coming out. We got some more videos coming. Goose season still. And I got some cool trips coming up as well to end the duck hunting season. You don't want to miss out. So that's all. We'll see you guys out there. Let's go. Get in here. Come on. Come here. Hunt. Bird. Bird. Get him, Chief. Come on, buddy.
There you go. That's what he needs right there.
Oh, he got away.
Right at us.
Get him, Chief. That a boy. Hold. Come on, buddy. Come on. Hey, good boy.
You like this? Huh? Here, you hold my gun and I'll put it back there. That was on. Dude, I haven't seen him run that fast in years. Answered that question, didn't we? Yeah, he did all right, didn't he?
Hey, come here, buddy. Good boy. Good boy.
Now he's got
Hunt.
back in the play. Now he's got
Hey, that one was literally like 4 feet from me.
Look at him.
Hunt him up. Hunt him up. Get him, buddy. Come on, buddy. Bring him here. Hold. Hold. Give. Good boy, buddy. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Oh, sure. Sit. Sit. You got feathers in your mouth? I guess you'll be all right.
Happy times.
Good boy, buddy.
Happy times.
Good boy. Yeah, that's good. Okay, hunt him up. Sit. Hey, good boy. Getting all cut up. All right, buddy. Come on, let's go.
The more you hunt with him, the more you'll know.
Oh, he's on one.
You'll know.
Get him, buddy. Come on. Hunt. Hunt.
He's birdie.
Hunt. Right here. Hunt, Chief. Hunt. He's coming up behind you guys. Get him, Chief. Come on, buddy.
He might have a couple of loads of buckshot his rear end. Did you both shoot?
Yeah. Come on, Chief.
Come on, Chief.
Hold.
I wait for long.
Good boy, Chief.
Yeah, thank you. Good boy, buddy.
Hey, hey, hey. Chief, right here. Good boy. Good boy. You keep you warm.
Hey Jordan, good job. You were right on him, man.
Yeah.
Good way to read your dog.
Get him, buddy. Come on. Dang, where's it at? Holy cow. There was one here. Keeping his.
Get him, Pete.
It's got to be around here.
Probably over.
Dang, he is going crazy. Keep your eye on him. Chief, come. Come. Watch him where he's landing. Chief, come here. He's flying again. He's coming right to us. Where's Chief? Here's another one. He's in the tree. He's sitting right in here. In your tree line about 60 yards in front of you.
You actually see the bird?
I can't now, but I saw him landing in there. Come here, Chief. Chief, come. Chief, come. Heel, heel. Chief, right here. Heel. Sit. Sit. I hear him. He's right here. He's right here. You see him? Yeah. He's coming. He's coming. No! Chief, come. Chief, come here.
He's going down. Dude, that was like 10 gunshots.
He got a little too far on that one. I knew he was on it though, and I didn't want to call him off the trail, the first one. Yeah. But I've been calling him off the trail a couple times.
I mean, nothing you can do about that.
Hunt up, buddy.
This the whole time because they're staging up in this.
Hunt, Chief.
I can't believe he just sat in the tree.
Yeah, I think he got stuck in the brush and landed there.
Where's everybody else? Oh, there's that.
He's gonna get on one again.
That's crazy. Find it? Yep.
Oh wow. Rooster?
Nice shot. It was the third shot. It was the going away shot. He got it. Oh, he was dead. I saw him going like this all the way down. Yeah. I missed in the first two, and that was a straight on shot, you know.
Chief, sit.
I don't believe he shot that rooster. I don't believe 20 gauge too would. On a V
Hey, yeah, let's try to shoot it before him. Ready?
No, he was going straight. It wasn't like a wounded guy. Can't believe you shot this.
I'm gonna take a picture of one. You're not? Are you leaving?
No, I'm gonna put him on the back of his truck
Oh, okay.
tailgate.
What? You're right. They just look awesome. That one's actually pretty stiff. See ya.
See ya.
Chief, right here. Bird. Bird. Hunt it up, hunt it up. Get him, buddy, come on. That a boy. Come on, bring him here, Chief.
At the same time.
Good boy. Hold, hold, give. Good boy. Man, we cleaned that one open.
We both shot the same time.
Yeah.
So that was good. You did a nice job.
Good boy, buddy. That's exactly.
Where was she?
Right here.
There, right in this corner, right there.
You got right on her, and
Right on.
They're moving in here, like
they're running.
just keep walking and it's just
They might be running over there.
Very good. You guys want to go up there, or you want to wait out here? What do you want to do? I'll go check in with them and leave this bird up there.
Okay. Maybe we'll walk one row and we'll come back.
good boy, buddy. You nice and warm. You know that. You nice and warm. Good boy.
I don't want to take any time off. What do you think?
I'm ready to roll.
Okay, let's just walk this thing and back again.
I think we need to hit this thick stuff, dude.
Where? This
They're
one?
liking the thick stuff.
This one? Let's just walk through these two and then back.
Let's just walk as much as we can.
I kind of wish I brought a vanilla bar or something. I'm starving. I'm about to light a fire and cook one of these pheasants.
Dude, I can't wait to eat pheasant.
Have you ever had it?
Yeah.
It's delicious.
I love it. Dude, I'm gonna make freaking pheasant nuggets.
Can I have
So
some?
good. Yeah.
Okay. When you cooking them?
Just you.
Oh. Bird.
Dude, he did freaking good though.
Yeah, he did good. I'm just saying he busted. That a boy! That a boy! Bring him here, buddy. Dude, he's bringing him right here. Come here, buddy. Good. Hey, hey, sit. Good boy. I dropped a shell. Dude, Lyle's probably sprinting back here right now. Good boy. Did you hit that or did I?
I don't know, we shot at the same time.
Dude, it was literally at my feet and he...
We were talking, it was like...
We're just chilling and this bird freaking... Ah! Bird. Hunt, hunt. Alright, let's walk down this thing again. Wait, make sure it's not down here. He's still on it, something. Get in there, buddy, get in there. Are you ready, dude? Get him, bring him here. Bring him here, buddy, come on.
Holy cow!
It hung in tight.
Dude, I walked right past him. I thought I could see everything. Good boy, Chief.
That a boy. Hold. Hold. Dude, he almost had it. Good boy. Yeah. That a boy, buddy. Good boy, buddy.
Look at all those feathers.
Dude, he almost had it on the ground. He had it by like the tail a couple
That's
times.
all, these things suckers are not flushing.
Dude. Shot his beak off.
Dude, I can't believe that. I thought I could see through this, and it's
You
still
can't. They're
there.
camouflaged.
And I knew he was on
That's
it.
what happened with that rooster. I know that's what happened.
Dude, he knew where it was, or he knew there was something there. I'm like, get him, and he's like leaping over the stuff.
I thought it was just a mouse though.
No, he doesn't do that with mice. Dude, freaking cool bird.
Dude.
Here, I get the hens. No, I shot him.
Dude, we both shot him.
Yeah, no.
That's what it did. Exactly what it did. And it was just,
Hunt him up, hunt him up.
and you could see right through it, and he just never saw it. Never shot it.
He's on one, maybe? Hunt, buddy. Hunt him up. Come on, buddy. Bring him here. Hunt, Chief. Hunt. Get him here. Bring him here. Come on. Got him. Go get him, Chief. Chief, come here. Dude, that thing was running. I could see it on the ground. Good boy. Good boy, buddy. Yes. Good boy. Here, I'll keep that one for training.
There you go. That's good. No.
Here, you keep this one separate then. I got a good one in my back. You want a second one?
Well, you're keeping that for training?
I'll keep that one for training.
Well, he can go get the ones up by the...
Hands.
Yeah, hens taste worse. Sorry about your luck.
How many do we get?
You like those, Chief?
Chief.
I gotta go
Come on.
take my booties off.
Sit. Hey. Means they ran for a long time. Like, is he sitting their whole trail? Right now, he's on a bird. Exactly where they walked. He's gone. He's on one. You hit him. He's going down. He went down that field. Maybe Chief will get him. I told you he was getting on him when he runs like that. He came right through the opening.
Yeah, and then you like sat down and through here some. Well, I don't know if alive.
Dude, I'm telling you, that happened multiple times today where the roosters ran. Chief had to get at a full sprint to catch him. Did you see that?
Yeah.
That's insane. Hot, Chief, come on. Over here. Oh, well, I'll let him work. Bird. 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 What time is it?
Like 5 minutes.
Okay. Well, hunt him up, buddy. Hunt him up.
What's going on, guys? Just got done with that edit, and I can't tell you guys how much fun I had on that hunt. First time doing that kind of thing, and I know we're gonna get all the hate and all the people saying this isn't pheasant hunting, it's put and take. And trust me, if we had wild pheasant, I'd be on them, but this is all we got. So like I said, had a super fun time doing it.
And I can promise you guys, next year I'm gonna find some wild pheasant. Probably not in this state. Gonna go somewhere else and get on them. That's one of my goals for next year. So that being said, I know we're gonna probably get a lot of hate too for being like kind of noob pheasant hunters and all that kind of stuff. Is noob a word people use when they hunt? Probably not. But anyways, what I'm trying to say is I had a ton of fun, and probably the reason I had so much fun was my dog. Just watching Chief work. You know, you've heard me say that in duck hunting videos, but man, just seeing him do this and kind of just hop right into it and succeed, and just seeing his natural, I don't know what you want to call it, just seeing a dog work like that, and especially your own dog, it was just awesome. So definitely got the itch. Gonna get on some wild pheasant next year. But anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. We got tons of videos coming out. Hit that sub button and make sure check out the podcast. That's one thing I haven't been plugging enough. Me and Elliot run the podcast, Duck Gun Podcast. We got episodes coming out bi-weekly or two times a week. So anyways, that's what we got. See you guys next time.